How do you go and get a client in the next 24, 48, 72 hours? Ready? All right. So let's think about this. Here's what I want everybody to do. I want you to pull out your phone. I know you're thinking, you're going, what? We're on a Zoom call. What are you talking about? And I want you to pull up your contacts. And I want you to pull up your contact list. Right? And if you notice in mine, I have, can you see? Wait a minute, it's not, how many contacts?
Oh
Can you
boy.
see that?
I see a 2 and a comma.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
That's enough.
2090. Monica, 2090 contacts. How
I
many do
don't
you
have
guys
that many friends.
have? I don't either. I don't know half of them, but contacts. I probably don't even know like 200 of them in all reality.
Oh, what kind of phone do you have?
That's an iPhone, so it'll be at the top. On an Android, I think it's at the bottom of the contact list.
It's at the top of mine. I have an Android and it's at the top.
Okay, all
You
right.
go
So
to contacts and right under the top of it, it says
perfect. How many do you have, Jody?
647.
Okay, cool. 647.
I have
right.
653. We were like almost the
Awesome.
same. That's
653. Okay. All right. 653. Okay. Who else? How many you got?
I can't tell on mine.
Give me an estimate.
Oh, probably 500 plus in here.
Okay. 500 plus. Justin, how many you got?
Like 1,100.
Oh, okay. All right.
Wow.
Catherine, what you got?
I got 271.
271. Cheryl?
1437.
1437. All
I'm
right.
old.
Obviously not as old as I am because I got you beat. All right, Dave, how many did you have in yours?
270, but some of them are businesses.
That's okay. Oh, that's a good.
Yeah.
All right, I like that. All right.
I have businesses as well.
I want you guys to do a little math. Are you ready? I want you to take your total number of contacts. Mine's 2090. All right, let me put that in. And I want you to open up your calculator. And I want you to put in your calculator, just up at the top, whatever your number is. Okay. Then I want you to multiply that by 10% or 0.1, which is going to give you whatever your number. So if you got 500, it's probably 50. If you got 1,400, it's 140. For me, 209. Okay. So everybody has that, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. I want you to take that number and I want you to multiply that by the average home price in your area. The average home price nationwide is actually over 350,000. So for me, that number ended up to be 73,150,000.
Wow.
Okay. I know. Pam's going, whoa, that's pretty good. So how much, what you got? How much? Somebody give me numbers. Mine was 73,150,000.
50,300,000.
Okay.
Ooh.
Cool. All right.
25.5 million.
25.5 million. Okay. What else?
21.8 million.
21.8. Justin?
44 million.
44 million. Okay. Cool.
8.5.
8.5. Okay. Cool. All right.
8.8 mil.
Okay. 8.8. Perfect. Now, I want you to take that number and I want you to multiply that by, let's say, 2.75%. Okay.
1 million.
Okay. And I want you to, so my number was 2,011,625. So what you got? What's your number?
1,383,112.
Okay. Over a million. Good. 1,383,000. What you got, Justin? You
At 1.2.
1.2 million. Jody?
600,000.
600,000. Dave,
233,750.
233,750. Catherine,
242.
242. Nicole, Pam,
Hit
1.7.
1.7. Pam, what was yours?
I hit the clear button. I gotta do it again.
That's all right. That's all right. Monica, I think we got yours, didn't we? Didn't we get yours?
701. 701.
701. Okay. So let me ask you guys a question. I want you to look at the number on your screen pretty closely. And I want you to look at that. If you made that much in the next 12 months, would you be happy?
Oh, God, yes.
No. Happy would not explain what would happen. Happy is not a
Okay.
good enough word.
Not a good enough word? Would it be life-changing?
That's an understatement. Yes.
Okay, that's an understatement. Guys, I'm going to tell you what you just did and what you have in your phone. If you follow this process, that's what you make over the next 12 months. Everybody just fell out of their chair.
That was a holy shit.
Yeah.
I
That
did
is
not drink
the-
out of my water bottle on purpose.
Okay. That is the value of the contacts in your phone. I kid you not. That is the value of the contacts in your phone. Okay. Think about this. Of those people, for me, it was 2,090 people, right? 2,090 people are having an average of 8 real estate conversations every year. If you get just 10% of a return, in other words, for me, 209 deals out of those 2,090 people that are having conversations with another 16,720 real estate conversations. That's the number of conversations that my database is having every year about the business that you're in. You guys realize that? They're having 16,720 real estate conversations about your business and what you do for a living. So my question to you is twofold. Do they know what you do? And are you reminding them enough where when they're having those conversations, which by the way, for mine is 45.8 conversations every day with an opportunity for me to be front of mind for them to say, oh my gosh, I know that you're thinking about moving and you need to meet my buddy, Justin. You need to meet Monica. You need to meet Nicole, Cheryl, Catherine, Jody, Pam, Dave. How many of you are reminding them what you do, why you do it, and how you do it enough where when they have just one of those conversations every day, imagine 1 out of 45, one saying, Cheryl's awesome. Let me introduce you. All right. Is this sunk in? You getting this? Okay. I hear so many times that we need more leads. No, you don't. You need to use the ones that you have. So let me show you how to use the ones you got starting today. Okay. Some of you that have done a couple of my sessions have heard me talk about the 5-5-5. Okay. So we're actually going to make it 5-5-5-5. Oh, side note. If you add how many friends you have on Facebook, what's that do to your number?
It's about the same.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, let's just let that sink in for just a second, right? Okay. All right. So this works there too. So with that, let me show you. And I'm just going to share this in, let's see. CJ, we're going to have to add these in there too. But here's what you're doing. How many of you have, and you can even make it, you can combine this, but if you did this 20 times a day, you don't even have to do it every day. I'm telling you, you don't have to do it every day. If you want to, that's great. but you don't have to. But I want you to pick. Perfect scenario is 5 past clients, 5 sphere of influence or contacts. In other words, everybody else on your phone, right? Or on Facebook. And then 5 either former buyers or sellers who stopped the process of buying and selling or dropped out of the process. Depending on how long you've been in the business, you may or may not have all of those categories. And then the fifth one, the fifth 5, or the fourth 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 is just social media contacts, which just opened up all of your Facebook contacts. Okay. Your first text message, and you're just going to send text message or reach out to them via social media. Your first one, and you're going to pick these, by the way, as to who it's appropriate for. But if you look in the chat, you'll see, I'm not sure if it's for you, but there's a beautiful new home that just hit the market that's not going to last long. Would you like me to send you the details? This would be fantastic for a buyer that dropped out, wouldn't it?
Mm.
Right?
Won't let
Okay.
me copy.
We'll post it, but we'll also send it to you. But yeah, copy it. It won't let you copy? You should be able to.
No. That's right.
Okay.
I'll type it out.
All right, you got it.
You
Okay.
can take a picture with your phone.
There you go. You can take a picture of it if you want to. Yep. All right. Next one. And again, remember, you're going to find who these are going to be appropriate to in that list. Who do you know that might want to get access to a home before it hits the market? So out of the 5, 5, 5, 5, who do you think gets that one? Any daggum Facebook friend you got. And if you really want to make it interesting, what if you added this before that? Anybody know what I'm typing before I sit send? Nicole, come on, just give me a guess. Hey, I
Need a favor.
need your help.
Need your help. There it
Who do
is.
you know that might want to get access to a home before it hits the market? Hey, I need your help. Who do you know that might want to get access to a home before it hits the market? All right. Next one. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you're interested in buying an investment property in the future, I can keep you in the loop on any good deals that come on the market. Who's that?
Past
Dave Rupp.
clients.
Past clients? Every daggum one of your business owners. Every one of them gets that one right there. They're business owners, right? Dude, heck yeah. Y'all got this? Okay. Next one. I'm not sure if it's for you, but your neighbor is selling their home and I can put together a report on how their sale will impact your home's value. Who's that go to? You got it, Catherine. Thank you. I'm not sure if it's for you, but your neighbor is selling their home and I can put together a report on how their sale will impact your home's value. Every past seller that you got, all of them. Any seller that dropped out of the process, any investor, right? Okay. Anybody in your neighborhood Facebook group that bought or sold a home. Okay. One more. I just found a property near your home that's going to sell very quickly. I'm not sure if it's for you, but I can get you all the details in case you have a friend who's actively looking to buy. I just found a property that's near your home. It's going to sell very quickly. I'm not sure if it's for you, but I can get you all the details in case you have a friend who's actively looking to buy. So think about each one of these. What do they do? They start a what?
Conversation, a real
A
estate
conversation, a real estate conversation. Exactly, right? These start real estate conversations. It's the only way to set an appointment is to start a real estate conversation. This is your in. You are asking in every one of these if they're looking to buy or sell, or if they know somebody to buy or sell. Because this is a gold mine. This, from all the reports that I've gotten, is a 15% conversion rate. So do your math on that. Oh, Nicole's going, oh, yeah, I like that. Right? 15% conversion rate, because then you just get into the conversation. Great. Let me send that over for you. By the way, is there anything, let's talk about the report one. Not sure if it's for you, but your neighbor's selling their home. I can put together a report on how the sale will impact your home's value. Who's going to say yes on that, by the way? What person's going to respond? Well, yeah, that could be cool.
Everybody, because they all want to know what their home is worth.
They do. And especially the ones that have thought about
Selling.
yes. Outstanding. I can absolutely do that. Hey, do you mind if I ask you a question? What makes you respond that yes? What are you looking for? Right? You start the conversation. Guys, all of these are conversation starters. You could all, I'll tell you, I'll say this again. If you do this today, 5, 5, 5, 5, you do 20 of these, you're going to get responses within the next 60 minutes. And you can start a conversation from there. Okay. So here's what I want to hear from you. How many of you are committed to doing 5, 5, 5, 5 today? 1, 2, 3. Okay, everybody? Good. All right, good. Monica, thank you. Good. All right, perfect. Everybody. So Thursday. And here, do it tomorrow too. I mean, do it 2 days in a row, right? Why not? I want you guys on here and I want you to tell me how many responses you received. And then the other, somebody's going to have an active buyer or seller by Thursday.
What time is our meeting on Thursday?
Same time, noon.
Noon. Awesome. Thanks.
Yeah. Tuesdays and Thursdays, noon. All right, y'all. Has this been helpful?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. All right. Here's
Yes.
my next question. Do you believe that you can go get, using these things, a buyer or seller in the next 48 hours or so?
Yes.
I want to hear it. Come off mute and I want to hear it verbally.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Good. Dave Rupp, I didn't hear you.
Yeah, I'm slow on the mute button. Absolutely.
Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Awesome. All right. I do too. I know it will work for you guys. Okay. So let's go get them. Do the 5, 5, 5, 5 today. Do it again tomorrow. You can do it every day if you want to. I will tell you that what happens is it would be difficult to do every day because you are going to have people that are responding and you're going to end up with people. So just want to let you know, but do it until you got somebody, right? I mean, shoot. What was your numbers? Millions, 700,000, 200,000. All right, cool. Guys, I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. We will see you Thursday. If I don't hear from you prior to that, get in there, do all of your things to unlock your dashboard, jump in there, but concentrate on this 5, 5, 5, 5, because that is immediate business. That will get you stuff now. And that's what all of you want. Okay. All right, cool. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate your time.
Thank you.
We will see you guys
Thanks, Rob.
Bye.
next one.
Thanks.
My pleasure. Thanks, y'all.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye, y'all. Bye.